Hello sweeties, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing amazing as always. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I want everybody to hit the like button for me. And today we're going to be doing this cute blonde look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So today we're doing Alielaine hair. I want to thank them for sending this wig over. This is a 613 13 by 6 wig. It's 18 inches and it's a body wave. As you can see, it just comes in that traditional blonde. It has a lot of yellow in it. But on the inside, you can see that 13 by 6 parting. And you have 2 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, a little lace in the back for you to lay it down, and the adjustable straps. Okay ladies, so right here you can see me doing like the purple shampoo method. At this point I had shampooed the hair once with the purple shampoo and a lot of it came out, but after it dried I just noticed like it still had some yellow in it that I didn't like. So I decided to try this method just to try it out. This is the purple shampoo that I use. I got it from Walmart. It cost about $5. They have multiple options. Shimmer Lights is not the only shampoo out there. But yeah, you just put it in the water, make sure it's all dissolved in the water really well. And if you notice, like the hair starts to change immediately. It's so satisfying. But yeah, so I just left that in there for about 10 to 15 minutes just so we can pull as much of that yellow out of that hair as possible. So this is what she was giving after I pulled her out of that purple shampoo bath and rinsed her out. You can see a lot of that yellow is gone. It's a lot ashier and you can really tell the difference once it dries. So this wig actually came with an amazing hairline. It was pre-plucked, like I didn't see the need to really go in and mess with it anymore, so I didn't. But just the dips in the hairline and everything really lined up perfectly. So it's not a lot you have to do to this wig when it comes to plucking it. So here I'm just taking my E-bend and I'm putting on a good layer of that. I'm not doing like 2 or 3 layers. I just did one good solid layer and then I put on my wig. So I just want to say really quickly, I did forget to put foundation on the inside of my wig like I usually do. I don't know how that's escaped me, but I did. Just make sure that when you're doing it inside of your blonde units, you're taking your time because makeup in that blonde hair can go left really quickly and then you'll have to start all over and nobody wants that. So just take your time with blonde hair, don't rush it. And that's about it for this. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for me. And if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Everything you'll need to know will be in the description below. And until next time, stay sweet.